Hi friends! Today video about JBL Boombox 3.
Not in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams.
The JBL Boombox 3's innovative three-way speaker system, which consists of a potent racetrack-shaped subwoofer, 2 mid-range drivers, and 2 tweeters, delivers strong sound for every environment. The newly created portable speaker has even greater clarity and power than its predecessors, while offering a deeper bass than those models did. JBL Original Pro Sound can power any party from sunrise to sunset with its 24-hour playback period. It can withstand the majority of weather situations thanks to its IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating. The speaker delivers the feeling of an enormous party with the simplicity of mobility thanks to its robust metal handle and eye-catching orange silicone grip. With its built-in battery bank, the JBL Boombox 3 charges devices constantly. With the Party Boost function, music fans can further improve their listening experience by connecting it to additional JBL PartyBoost-compatible speakers for even louder and greater sound. Features of the JBL Boombox 3. Integrated power bank. While playing music, it uses a USB cable to charge cell phones and tablets. IP67 waterproof and dustproof. Without worrying about spills, rain, or even a fall in the water, take the speaker to the beach or the pool. Maximum playtime. With a built-in, rechargeable Li-ion battery that provides up to 24 hours of playing, you can listen all day. Bluetooth Wireless Streaming version 5.3. Connect up to 2 smartphones or tablets wirelessly to the speaker to share JBL Original Pro Sound. Party Boost by JBL. Link many JBL PartyBoost-compatible speakers together to amp up the party, or pair with 2 JBL PartyBoost speakers for stereo sound. JBL Original Pro Sound delivers breathtaking audio all day long with massive bass.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
No friend to me, it's not working out. Maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape,